So let's see here. So this is my Roomba vacuum. I have the Select program, which is basically where I pay monthly to rent this vacuum. They send me replacement parts. Like I have a broken bristle here, so I messaged them. They sent me a brand new one. Filters, bags. I need to get some new ones of these, but the thing that I'm having the problem with today is the battery. So I'm only getting about 30 minutes to charge. Does one room, goes right back to charge. It used to do the whole house, and then it would go charge, and then it would go back out. It's really easy. Like, there's a reason they'll let you do this at home. So you have to remove all of these screws. There's one here, 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 and then these two here, and then this here. You must remove the bristle. So we're going to go ahead and remove this, and we're going to replace it with a new one. So when I go back with the when I go back to put it on, I'll put a new one on. So you don't have to remove the screws all the way. They just loosen up. So you go ahead, remove them, tighten them, whatever you want to call it. And then there's two over here as well. And this program is awesome. I didn't have to pay for this, and I'm almost on 3 years. So they're going to replace this vacuum soon anyway. And then this will just pop up. So there that is. Two screws, one right here. Set that to the side. Here's the new battery, or the old battery here. So there's a tab here. You just pull that tab, and that battery will slide out. And then you just take the new one, slide it in. So I've never opened this up, never had to. Got some hair and stuff on here. So I'm going to clean it up a little bit. This is the charging pads here. You want to just make sure those are clean. It's all good in here, nothing bad. So, and then you'll just want to go put this back on like so. Screw it down. Make sure they're pretty tight. When I turn this over, these were loose for some reason. This thing's probably got, I don't know, 300-400 hours worth of time on it. I vacuum every day, so it'll have it's got its hours on it for sure. Never had any problems with it though. It's always been good. Battery lasted almost 3 years, so I'd say that's pretty good. Then the new bristle, this goes on like that. And the screw doesn't come out of this. You just tighten it down, and that's it. Now it's got a filter in here. Pop this out. Filter's right there. So it's not that bad on the outside, but on the inside it's pretty dirty. So, and they just record the hours you have, and then they send you a new one. So, and basically that's it of the battery replacement. Super easy. I'd say less than 5 minutes for sure.